Yo guys, what's up? This is just a quick video with something that I want to share with you guys that I've picked up over the last couple of months or so. It's a quick, easy way to get a lot more watch time on your videos. If you've got quite a small YouTube channel, you don't have too many videos, it's really difficult to get your subscribers and your watchers up. But this is a way that I've actually found that is quite effective and it's quite quick, deems quick results. Let me just show you. Now this is my channel's traffic source over the last 90 days. Now you can see here that Facebook is by and large miles out in front with 88.9% of the shares. Now I found Facebook is actually the quickest, easiest way to get views to my videos. I just want to take you into a few of my videos so you can see the analytics behind them and make a comparison for yourself to really see that this is an effective way going forward. So this is a video that was posted way back in June 11th, June 12th, yeah, June 12th. And you can see my traffic sources here. External 88.2%, which more or less marries up with the overall traffic to my channel, and external 96.8%. Now what I've been doing to get these kind of percentages in through Facebook is signing up to groups on Facebook. So in this sense, Airbnb, the video that I made here was actually a marketing video for an Airbnb property. So I just posted the link within the Airbnb group, and lo and behold, in no time at all, hundreds and hundreds of views came in. And the reason why I think this is so effective is because a lot of the chat in this group isn't necessarily people sharing videos and people wanting subscriptions and people wanting watch time. It's genuinely people that are interested in other people's products that they've got to offer and conversations. So when you drop a video in there, you're much more likely to get a lot more watch time than you would in, say, another YouTube video group where everybody's doing exactly the same and the returns are actually pretty minimal, and we'll come on to that in a minute. And so you can see here there was a huge spike on Friday the 27th of 75 people. Now that, I know it isn't massive numbers, but that would have been the day that I posted it to Facebook. So within a day that's got 75 views. And if we move on to the next example here, 88.1%, so more or less exactly the same as the previous video. And this video has 489 views, 770 impressions, not a bad click-through rate either. And this video was posted on multiple groups in Facebook that are directly related to childbirth in this sense. So obviously brand new father group, and that's 2,000 members, so a potential of 2,000 views, but you're never going to get that because not everybody's going to watch it. But again, the benefit of this group is a lot of people on here will not be sharing videos, they'll just be looking for educational or content to help them out, and you're much more likely to get a view from these guys than you will ever be from a sub to sub group or everybody chucking their videos into a big whole group and nobody views anybody else's videos. So the third example, again, I'm sure you're all aware we've been through a really bad pandemic and we're still going through. So I thought, why not make a video about it? 449 views, again, 89.5% is from Facebook. And that was because I shared my videos in groups such as Lockdown, which has 6,518 members. And I've also shared this in a group in the town that I live in, and you're much more likely to get views here because the topics are very context related. So I highly recommend for any kind of content that you're sharing to try and get involved in your local or neighbouring community. I guarantee that these are going to be the most successful kind of groups that you post your content in. Now for my latest video I actually did a little experiment with this. As you can see, the views here are very low, and that is primarily because I've just posted this in groups on Facebook that are YouTube specific and have something like 140,000 members, and I think before you join these groups you think, oh wow, 145,000, that's going to get me a hell of a lot of views, but in reality it's a dumping ground for videos, and actually nobody views your content, and the proof is in the pudding here. 22 views. Yes, Facebook is the highest as well, 83.3% of the share, but 83.3% of 22 isn't massive, is it? And that is, for me, conclusive that these groups just don't work as well. And these are some of the examples of them. So you can see here, these are the kind of content that you get in it. I want 100 permanent subscribers, drop your link fast. To be honest with you, it's complete garbage. 393 comments here, all with links in, and I guarantee that if any of them even do subscribe to you, they're not going to hang around very long. And also there's a very, very high chance that there will be bots. So whilst you may get an increase or a spike in subscriptions to your channel, I guarantee over a week or 2 weeks they'll just stop fading off again. But there are a few channels out there on Facebook that do work, one of which I am a part of as well. There's only 123 people in this group, and the admin guys here have done a cracking job of creating spotlight channels which emphasizes one user, and everybody on the group will then go and watch their content, subscribe, comment. Now of course everybody just wants to upload their video to YouTube and watch the view numbers and the subscriptions go up, but if we're honest with ourselves, that's not really the reality, is it? Some videos however do get their own legs. We've got a couple of videos here that seem to be getting on average about 100 to 200 views a week. A music festival that's actually really popular, and the anniversary's just gone around this week, so there was a big spike in views for there. And pregnancy time lapses, of which I've done 2 now, and they seem to be quite popular as well. So if you do make popular content that people are searching for, then there's a good chance that you'll get found on YouTube and your views will be consistent through the board. But if you're making niche videos like most of us, you do need a boost in the right direction, and adding it to those Facebook groups that I've described is certainly the way forward. So guys, give it a go. I promise you it will work. It's worked for me, and you do get quite a few subscribers from it as well. So let me know in the comments how you get on.